Project 39 mini albums. I am here to show you the May 2021 sheet load of cards. I am on Call Me Crafty Al's collab team that shows you every month how we interpret the card sketch. Now this month's special edition is using 6x6 paper, which I know is popular with a lot of people because we all have 6x6 paper in our stash. I did go ahead and purchase a little while ago these two sheets. They're from Graphic45. They were 12 by 12 sheets because I had in mind some Mother's Day cards using those. They're from the Birdwatcher collection, and this one is Flock Together and this one is Feather Your Nest, and they're both beautiful. I love the blue tones on there. So let me show you what I did. I'll show you a little closer the card I made. I did take an embossing folder and use that on the bottom layer, and then I used the same beige as what the card's made of for the two layers for the other part. I did take some mulberry paper that I had in my stash to make the feather. I stamped and embossed the feather with some gold ink, and then I took the mulberry paper and cut it out. Now if you've never used mulberry paper, let me show you real quick. So here is mulberry paper, and I'm just taking a Q-tip and I'm just going to wet it halfway down, let it sit for a minute, and then if you just pull the paper apart, it will tear and leave long fibers, which gives a nice look. And I thought that was appropriate for the feathers. So that is one of the feathers. After I pulled it apart, I inked a little bit on the back because it's a little bit translucent, just to add a little bit of color and some dimension to it. Also on this, I had some teeny brads, and I put brads in this corner of the inch strip that I put the feather on. The feather is popped up, so there is yet more dimension to that. So that is the cards that I made for the May 2021 sheet load of cards. Go ahead and check out Call Me Crafty Al's YouTube channel, and she will show you how you can download the sketch and supply list for yourself and go ahead and make these cards. It's a fabulous design this month. It yields 6 cards, so I made 2 Mother's Day, 2 We're in This Together, and then I also made a couple of graduation cards because that's coming up, and this would be appropriate for male or female. So thanks so much for watching. Check out the other people in the collab team and see the cards they made with the May 2021 sheet load of cards. Have a fabulous day.